Hello and welcome back. This is Stevie Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. This is a book that I picked up just recently. It was on sale in the Boxing Day sales at the Westminster Coins, Westminster Collection. It's all about Queen Victoria and her coins. Now I do a lot of pre-decimal hunts, so I see an awful lot of Victorian coins, and I've always wondered if I've been describing them correctly. Now, according to this book, we have the young head, the Gothic head, the Jubilee head, the old head, and the other defining coins of the realm. So if we go through, this is one of the reasons why I picked up this book. We've got the young head. Now these were on coins from 1838 to 1865. You've got the Gothic head, which was 1847 to 1887. You have the Jubilee head, which was 1887 to 1893. So 1893. Yeah, 1893. And then you've got the old head, which was 1893 to 1901. Now, the coins that I get mainly on pre-decimal coin hunts are pennies and perhaps occasional silver threepenny bit. I tend not to have in the general pre-decimal coins. I've got those separately. I do those separately. And also the silver coins I'll do separately to the standard brass coins. So I normally use the Victoria penny are ones that I tend to find a lot of these on. You won't have seen many of my coin hunts of the non-penny type coins. And there we've got some defining coins of the Victorian era. We've got there the sovereigns. We have the florin, the godless florin. We have the Gothic florin. We have the Sydney sovereign, which was the one that was produced in Australia, and we have the double florin. Now, double florin, I think, was mainly 2 or 3 years that came out over. There's a double florin, 2 separate ones. I think the double florin was only over a couple of years and it's worth 4 bob. Now, I've already shown one of those on the channel. I think I've got the other 2 years to get, and the final thing, of course, is the very last, one of the last coins that was used on the Victorian age, which was the 1901 sovereign. This reference book I am going to read, not necessarily cover to cover, but I'm certainly going to, well, just before I do my next hunt of Victorian coins in particular, whether it's silver or gold, I'll be using this to sort of base some of my research around. It didn't cost me an absolute fortune. I think it was about £10 or £12. I'm not sure what it is outside the Boxing Day, the sale area. You have to go and have a look on Westminster. I just brought this out as a short video to show you the sort of things that you may look at buying to help you with your research, for if you're doing hunts and you're doing work with Victorian coinage. So if you've enjoyed this video, would you please give me the thumbs up, and if you're one of the 30% that hasn't yet subscribed, or if you are brand new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'd love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins. And I'm getting up towards the stage where I'm starting to look at what I'm going to give away for my next giveaway, which will be 100 subscribers, and I'd like to get that as soon as possible. So if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, wherever you're buying them from, I hope you are successful and get it for the amount that you want to pay. And finally, if you're doing some research, I always love books for research rather than the internet, but that's just me. I'm an old history buff, or history head, and I like the feel of books in my hand when I'm reading. So in closing, all I'd like to say is I hope to see you again shortly on this channel, and in the meantime, from me, ta-ra for now. Bye bye.